Good morning, students of class 10. Welcome back to the online classes now. Let's continue our lesson in supplementary reader. That means rapid reader. Supplementary reader means rapid reader. We have the second book also. So we have reached lesson 2. Lesson 1 we have finished about Harriet and Mr. Pumphrey and the Tricky. Triumph of Surgery we have finished. That was lesson 1 in the rapid reader or supplementary reader. Now we'll do lesson 2, a thief story. The thief story we'll talk about. Class 10 English. The thief story. It is written by Ruskin Bond. The Ruskin Bond was a very famous writer, and let me talk about Ruskin Bond a little bit. 2 lines. Ruskin Bond's father was employed as in the Air Force, British Air Force. And when his father died, he started living with his grandmother in Dehradun. He was a very great writer. He lived for some period in London, in England. Then he came back. Now his house is there in Mussoorie, Ivy Cottage. Is still there, very old. So now Ruskin Bond is a famous writer. So now most of the time he writes very short stories which teaches us something. It's about the society, about the qualities, the social qualities. It teaches us about some lessons. By reading his story we can realize, we can understand, introspect. Look at now here about the story, the thief story, in 2 lines. About the story, a young boy. It's about a young boy. His name is Hari Singh. This is not his real name. Every month he used to change his name, but he is known by Hari Singh right now. A young boy named Hari Singh makes friends with Anil. Anil trusts him. The young boy made him his friend, and Anil trusts him. And Anil completely trusts him and employs him. Anil keeps him in his house and told him to do certain work in the house. Employs him. Does the boy betray his trust? Does the boy really trust Anil? Or is it one way only? Anil trusts him completely. Does the boy trust him, or does he betray the trust? Let's find out. Let's read and find out the story. Let's find out. Now here, there are 6 points. Number 1, I. I means the narrator. The person who is speaking. I means the narrator, or we can say the Hari Singh, the boy, young boy. I was still a thief. That means the young boy used to steal things. He was a thief. Not a very big thief, robber. He's a petty thief. Means he used to steal small amount of money. I was still a thief when I met Anil. When he met Anil, he was still stealing things, stealing money. And where did he met Anil? So let's see. First we'll talk about this. Though I was only 15, that means the young boy or the Hari Singh is only 15 years old, very young, at the age of 15. I was an experienced, you can see. He says that I am very experienced doing my profession, doing my job. What was the job? Stealing money. I was an experienced and fairly means good, and successful hand. So far I have not been caught. I am very good at stealing and cheating and deceiving people. I am very good at this profession, at this. I was an experienced, he said to himself, I am very much experienced. So far, the police has not caught me, and nobody has caught me stealing money. I was experienced and fairly good, successful hand. Successful hand means so far he is very much successful. Now let's see, where does he meet Anil? Anil was watching wrestling. Anil was watching the wrestling. In Hindi we call it kusti, wrestling. Anil was watching wrestling match when the boy approached Anil. The boy was very good at targeting his people, the people, whom to rob, whom to cheat. He looks at people's faces and he knows, oh, that person looks very innocent, that person looks very gentle. Now I can do it. It's my target. I will deceive him, I will steal from him. So that's why he said, I am very much experienced. When the young boy looked around, he saw Anil, and he thought, this man is very gentle, he looks very careless also, and very suitable for my job. So he aimed at Anil. Anil was watching wrestling match when the boy approached him. Why did the boy approach him, not the other people? Because by looking at a person, he could make out whom to steal, whom to cheat. Anil was about 25 years old. He selected his target and he approached him, and that person was Anil. He was 25 years old, he was very tall and thin. Lean means very thin. He was very thin person. Anil was tall and thin. So Hari Singh approached him. Approach means went near, close to him. Anil looked easygoing. Easygoing means careless. Anil looked easygoing, kind. He looks very kind, gentle and kind, and simple enough for the boy's purpose. What was the purpose? To steal money, to cheat, to deceive. So for his purpose, this man is very ideal, he thought, and that's why he approached Anil. He selected his target. The boy thought, how to speak? He is a stranger. How to speak to that person to whom he was approaching? So the boy thought, I hadn't had much luck of late. So far, I haven't had a good luck. For many days, I have not stolen from anybody else. I have not cheated anybody else for a long time. So far, the luck is not supporting me. I hadn't had much luck of late so far. I might be able to get into the young man's confidence. He thought, no, first I must make friend. I must make friend and win his confidence. Young man's get into means win. I must win his confidence so that he'll become friend with me. And he knows the method how to win others' confidence. You see that? The boy said, you look a bit of wrestler yourself. The boy went and near Anil and said, it seems that you look like a wrestler, a bit of wrestler. Are you also a wrestler? You look like a wrestler, he said. You look a bit means a little. You look a little bit of a wrestler yourself. Are you a wrestler? It seems that you are a wrestler. That's why you like to watch a wrestling match. A little flattery. Flattery means praise. A little bit of flattery does the trick. A little bit of flattery helps in making friends. Hari Singh was quite expert in this. He knew how to make friends. He says, a little bit of flattery does the trick and we can make friends. That's why he said to Anil that you seems to look a bit of a wrestler yourself. Though Anil was tall and thin, he never does the wrestling, he never go for the wrestling match. He just watches them wrestling. So when Anil did not say anything, when Anil did not say a word, the boy replied again, "Oh, that means you are a wrestler. So you do. Means you do wrestling." When Anil did not reply anything or did not say a word, the boy said, "Oh, that means you do wrestling. You are a wrestler." Anil was taken aback. Anil was surprised. This boy he is telling me that I am a wrestler. Though I do not wrestle, I am a wrestler. So Anil was quite happy to hear about him. Though he is very thin and lean, so he was very happy to hear. When you praise somebody else, naturally he likes, he enjoys, he likes. So if you say something that you are bad, this, that, tell the truth, he doesn't like. So the Hari Singh, he knew very well. He was quite expert in this thing. That's why he said that I am very much experienced in this field. So Anil was taken aback. He was quite surprised to hear that somebody is telling him that you look like a wrestler. And he was quite happy to hear that. It sounds very sweet in his ears. So now, let us see how this Hari Singh proceeds further. How they become friends and how Anil will provide him employment and what Anil does to him and what the boy does to him. Does the boy betray his trust? Because so far we have learned that Anil trusts him completely. Let us find out after this in our next class. So that's all for today. We'll meet in the next class and continue our lessons. Go through the online portal every day. You should not miss your classes, because if you break, then you will not understand head or tail. So you should not break these things. It doesn't take long time to watch the online portal. So it takes very short time, but you must go through it so that you will continue your lesson. That's all for today. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you for watching the video. Stay safe and don't waste your time.